Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 9th of December 2018. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if the dollar was able to hold this pivot low here, we're likely going to move to the upside, but we have to move above the weekly supply level in order to continue moving higher. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market moved down slightly. On Tuesday, the market went below this pivot, meaning that the odds are lower that it's going to go higher right now. On Wednesday, the market moved slightly to the upside. On Thursday, the market moved down, and on Friday we moved down a little bit more, but it's looking like we're moving choppy sideways at the moment. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? If we're able to go above and close above the highs here, then we're likely to continue moving to the upside. On the other hand, if we're able to go below and close below the lows over here, then we're likely going to move to the downside. If we don't do either of those, then we're likely to chop around sideways, which may be what the market does this coming week. But I think the odds are slightly greater on a move to the downside. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we were in an uptrend until the close of last week. Now we've just broken the uptrend and we're moving down from this supply level. So the odds based on this time frame are that we're likely to move down to this 96 area. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see we're starting to move down again. So we're likely to continue moving down, which will potentially be a buyable pullback. If we do hold the move down and are able to go above the highs here, then we're likely, as we've said in previous weeks, to move up to the 100 area. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this coming week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a free webinar I'm doing on Tuesday, December the 11th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. This is the last webinar I'm doing this year, and what we're going to do is we're going to be going over the opportunities of 2018 and what happened in the markets, and then we're going to be looking forward to 2019 and look at the opportunities that may be setting up in 2019. We're also going to go over what you should be doing to prepare yourself to trade in the new year. And we'll also go over how to recognize opportunities as they're forming in the market so you can profit from them. So what I'll do is leave a link below this video, whether you're watching on my YouTube channel or on my blog, where you can sign up for this free webinar. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.